Welcome. In this video, you'll learn step-by-step how to change your website URL on the LinkedIn app for PC with the latest update. If you've recently updated your LinkedIn and noticed things look a little different, don't worry. I'll guide you through it in a simple and easy way so you can update your website in just a few minutes. First, open the LinkedIn app on your PC. Once it loads, head over to the top right corner of your screen and click on the Me icon. This is where you can access all your profile and account settings. Next, from the drop-down menu, choose Settings and Privacy. Once you're inside, go to the section called Account Preferences. This is the area where LinkedIn lets you control how your profile information and contact details are displayed. Now scroll until you see Profile Information. Under this option, click on Name, Location, and Industry. This is where LinkedIn organizes your basic profile details. Once you're inside, look for another option called Contact Info and click on Edit Contact Info. Here, you'll see your current contact information, including any website links you've already added. To update your website, simply click on the field where your current website URL is listed. Delete it, then type in the new website address you'd like to use. After entering the new website, don't forget the final step. Click on Save. This will make sure your changes are applied and visible on your profile. From now on, when people visit your LinkedIn, they'll see your updated website link in your contact information. This process is quick and simple, but it can make a big difference, especially if you've changed your business site, moved to a new domain, or just want to keep things current. Having the right website link ensures your network, recruiters, or potential clients can always find you in the right place. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to change your website URL on the LinkedIn app for PC with the new update.